Hi guys, welcome to Piping, Welding and DT channel. So topic for today is about miter cuts. I will draw a line, two line, and this is a 5. Okay. We have a line here. This is miter cuts. Um, Miter cuts 12 inch to 24 inch. Okay. We have a center line here. So this miter cuts we have line number 4. This is line number 1, line number 2, line number 3, and this is a line number 4. So this is 90 degrees cut. So degrees of cut are equal to 1/2 degrees of turn desired. Okay. So let's say this is a 90 degrees cut. So we have a 1/2 degrees of turn. So this is a 45 degrees. Okay, to find this length of 4, okay, this dimension equals to tangent of cut so tangent of cut is equals to 45, and let's say our diameter of pipe is this is 12 inch. Okay, our diameter of pipe. So we have 45 degrees, multiply it to outside diameter, and then outside diameter of this 12 inch, and then divided it to 2. Okay, to get this line number 4. Okay, I repeat it. Dimension equals tangent of cut, multiply it to outside diameter of 12 inch, and then divided it to number 2. Okay, then next, number 3. To find this number 3, dimension number 4, multiply it to 0.9239, and this dimension number 2, dimension number 4, multiply it to 71, dimension number 1, multiply it to now dimension number 4 to 0.3827. Okay, this easy way to find this line number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a miter cuts 12 inch to 24 inch. This is a mark 16th. Okay, we have a circle here, and then we have a line from this and then we have a 4, 3, 2, 1, and then make it a dimension like this. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. I hope you have learned about this miter cut 12 inch to 24 inch. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day. Bye bye, see you next time. We have line number 4. dimension equals tangent of cut to 7. Okay, this easy way to find this. Line number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a miter cuts 12 inch to 24 inch. This is a mark 16th. Okay, we have a circle here, and then we have a line from this and then we have a 4, 3, 2, 1, and then make it a dimension like this. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. I hope you have learned about this miter cut 12 inch to 24 inch. Thank you very much for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye. See you next time. Hello guys, welcome to Piping Welding and DT channel. So this video I will draw a miter cut with 90 degrees turn. Okay, first I will draw a circle using this grinding disc. Okay, so this is the center line of the circle, and this is a pipe. Okay, this is a pipe. So this is the miter cuts. Okay, so with 90 degrees turn, and so these degrees of cut are equal to 1/2 degrees of turn this side of miter line. Okay, this is, we will make this our baseline, and this is our miter cut line. Okay, so this line is our baseline. Okay, and this line is our miter cut line. So we have 1/2 degrees here, one-half degrees turn. Okay, and this our angle of cut. Okay, we the same this one, this is 1/2 degrees turn. Okay, so the formula for these miter cuts are miter cuts let's say this is 16 divisions. Okay, 16 division, and our pipe is 12 inch to 24. This is 16 division, okay, to 12 inch to 24 inch. So we have a degrees here. So this is a 45 degrees and 67.5 degrees, and this is a 22.5 degrees. Okay, our diameter of pipe is 12 inch, so we have a 22, 45 and 67.5 degrees. Okay, so we have a number here: 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, this is our miter cut. And then the formula for that is so this is our number for line 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so to get the line number 4 for this dimension are number 4 as tangent, multiply it to OD of pipe divided to 2 to get this line number 4. Now we will project this number 3. So this is number 3, and number 2 and number 1. Okay, now for the number 3, to get this dimension number 3, line number 4. Okay, so line number 4, multiply it to sine 67.5 degrees. Okay, for the line number 3. So for the sine of 67.5 degrees, we have a 0.9239. So see, this is the sine of 67.5 degrees. And to get this number 2, dimension number 2, line number 4, multiply it to sine 45 degrees. So our sine of 45 degrees is 0.7071. Okay, 0.7071. And then if you see this circle, we have a 22.5 degrees and we have a 45 degrees. So next is 22.5 degrees. To get this number 1, to get this number 1, line number 4, multiply it to sine 22.5 degrees. So the sine of 22.5 is 0.3827. Okay, so this is how to compute the miter cuts. Okay, based on degrees and based on also the size of the diameter of the pipes, and which what division of the your miter cuts. Okay, we have this one 16 division for 12 inch to and to 24. But note, we have a this is a constant, but derive it from angle of division. Depends on your um, angle of division and the pipe of circumference. Okay, for the if you next we will for the pipe of 4 inch to 10 inch, we can use 8 division. Okay, 8 division. And for the 32 division, we have 26 and above. Okay, so this is the miter cuts. Okay, I hope you understand my explaining about regarding these miter cuts. But the important of this is the important formula. Okay, so that's all, guys, and I hope you have understand about this regarding these miter cuts. And thanks for watching, guys, and see you my next video. Bye.